All right, guys, test is tomorrow. So we're going to walk through another worksheet here. If you hear things in the background, my daughter's in the tubby right now. Okay, so x-intercept of -1. That's on your x-axis at -1. Sorry, I drew that a little higher than it should have been. And then a y-intercept of -3 means you're going down 3. Okay, so this will be your line. Okay. Okay, now these two, you're setting the two equations up. So an x-intercept, you're going to do 3x equals -6. And for the y-intercept, you're going to do -2y equals -6. So now to solve those, if we divide by 3 here, then we get x equals -2. And if we divide by -2 over here, then we get y equals a +3. So those are intercepts. So if we plot those, x equals -2 is going to go here. Y equals 3 is going to go here. Do you remember what kind of slope that is? Random question. That is a positive slope, right, on its way up. All right, horizontal and vertical. X equals is what kind of line? You are correct. It is vertical. So x equals -2 is a vertical line. Kind of missed my line at -2. Y equals, that is a horizontal line at 6. So a horizontal line at 6 would look like that. Okay. I know I'm moving quickly, but we did all this yesterday. Your test is tomorrow. So make sure you are prepared. Okay, so number 9. We don't want fractions, right? Integers. So it's going to look like that with no fractions. So we're going to multiply both sides of our equation by what? By 4. So if I multiply by 4 on both sides, then I get 4y equals 3x, right? This makes the 4's cancel, 4 divided by 4. And then make sure you distribute that to both, plus 4. And then we'll just take away the 3x on both sides. So -3x plus 4y equals 4. Okay. Now if we do number 10, same idea. We're going to take this -2 and we're going to distribute it to both of these. So it would be y plus 2 equals -2x minus 6. And then we need to move the 2x over to this side and the 2 over to this side. So we're going to subtract 2 on both sides and we get a -8. And we're going to add 2x to both sides. Sorry, that's kind of messy. So on this side, this is gone. We're left with 2x plus y. On the right side, we have that -8. So this would be your equation. All right, number 11. We need our intercepts, excuse me. So my x-intercept here, that's -3. My y-intercept is -2. And then the slope of the line, remember you start, if you have these 2 points, you start at the left and move toward the right. So from the left point, you're going down 2 over 3. So the slope would be -2 over 3. And then you put it into slope-intercept form with those 2 points. So y equals m times x plus a -b here, -2. So y equals -2/3 x minus 2. Okay. Then from there, we have to put it into standard form. So I'm going to rewrite this here so that we can switch it without changing or messing with our answer. So this is the same equation. We're just turning it into standard form. So what I would do is I would multiply both sides by 3, right? We just multiply by the denominator. So I get 3y equals, this would be a negative 2x, excuse me, and this would be a negative 6. So I'm going to add 2x and add 2x. So this is gone, and now I have 2x plus 3y equals negative 6. Okay. Okay, parallel, perpendicular, or neither. This one is already in the right form. Our slope is negative 2. This one we need to put into slope-intercept form. And the way that we do that is we subtract 2x from both sides. So I get y equals negative 2x minus 16. So now if you look here, my slope is negative 2. So I have a slope of negative 2 and a slope of negative 2. That means same slope, they are parallel. Okay, and then we didn't do this yesterday, but I'll do it for you now. X equals and y equals. If one is x equals, that's a vertical line, and then y equals is a horizontal line. Those will always be perpendicular. Okay. Okay. These last two. We're just going to do, let's see, we did the perpendicular one last time. Let's do the parallel one. So slope-intercept form, that's parallel to this. Okay, so if we want to be parallel to that equation, that means we need to pay attention to the slope. Okay, so we need a slope of 1/4 with this point. So this is going to be our x1, y1. So in point slope form, that would be y minus a negative 1 equals 1/4 times x minus our x1. Okay, if we simplify that, this is plus a positive, and then distribute this. So y plus 1, careful, babe, equals 1/4 x minus, and then 1/4 times a negative 4. We already put the minus in there. That's 1, right? 1/4 times 4 is 1. Okay, then from there, we would subtract 1 from both sides. So we get y equals 1/4 x minus 2. And that would be slope-intercept form. Okay, if I went too fast for you on any of those, just go back, slow me down, pause me. You can do it, okay? Get ready for this test. I believe in you. You can do it. Kenzie, you want to say bye to my friends? Say bye-bye. Bye. Have a good day.